So that's your Babulnath temple. Awesome. And there are a couple of places where you can actually eat. I mean, essentially take a bite. So these are those few places. So you can eat over there. Nice. Let's keep moving. I don't know if you see it, but it's right there on the hilltop, right behind these trees. And that temple has that significance in the Hindi movies. So, yep. Actually, it's quite visible from another end as well. Let's see that. Let's keep moving ahead. So now from here I have to actually take left, from where you can go straight away to the Pedal Road, or on the right or the left, or August Kranti or Nepean Sea Road. Let's see that. Let's cross the road. And this junction is my favorite junction, I guess, one of the favorite junctions, because in the evening or at night it just lights up real nice. So that's a digital billboard, so it gives you that metro city vibe. Let's go. Even this road has been featured in many Hindi films, Shah Rukh Khan films. These are the new types of signals that we have. Even the supporting members have LEDs in them. So if you see that they have kind of like repaired this part of the road that you see, because of the landslide that happened years back, and this part of the road, like this part that I'm showing with my fingers, was destroyed because of the landslide, and so they reconstructed it. Actually, this road arrives from the Kamala Nehru Park, Hanging Gardens. Wow, awesome. It's been a while that I've been here. It looks fresh, renovated and repaired nicely. should go to the inside. So this heavy traffic, a very useful path.